Hello traders, today we are covering the ATR Intraday system, a complete volatility-based trend follower built in Amibroker's AFL. It plots a trailing stop, marks your entries and exits, and color codes the trend. Let us see how it works. This system measures market volatility using the average true range indicator. It builds a trailing stop that hugs price, and whenever price crosses that stop, the system flips its trend state and marks a fresh buy or sell signal. A green ribbon confirms an uptrend, red confirms a downtrend. The engine runs in 3 steps. First, it calculates ATR over your chosen period. Second, it maintains a trailing volatility stop positioned above price in an uptrend and below price in a downtrend. Third, when the close crosses the stop, the trend flips and a signal arrow appears. Here is the heart of the code. Two inputs are defined, the ATR period and the multiplier. The loop walks bar by bar and holds the current trend state. When the close falls below the stop, the trend turns down. When it climbs back above, the trend turns up. The stop itself is the highest close minus the ATR multiplied by your multiplier, or the lowest close plus that same value on the downside. The signal lines are straightforward. Buy triggers on the cross of the trend from negative to positive, and sell triggers on the opposite cross. The volatility stop is drawn as a thick line colored to match the trend, and arrows mark every signal directly on the chart. In an uptrend, the stop rides below price, calculated from the highest close minus the ATR multiplied by your factor. In a downtrend, the stop flips above price using the lowest close plus that same value. Stay on the correct side of the stop. And the ribbon plus arrows keep the trend state obvious. Before you trade this system, spend a minute on configuration. The period controls the volatility lookback. 14 is the default, but lower it for faster reactions. The multiplier decides how far the stop trails. 2 is balanced, but you can widen it in choppy markets. Test the interval you actually trade and apply the formula to a watch list or a single chart from the analysis window. This is the system running on a live chart. Notice the stop line riding under price during the uptrend and flipping above it during the downtrend. Every flip produces a clear buy or sell arrow, and the ribbon across the top keeps the trend direction visible at a glance. The system also works as a scanner. Run it across your watch list and you get the latest trend state and signal for every symbol in a single table. That converts hours of chart watching into one quick glance. Here is what a typical scan output looks like. Each row is one symbol, and the columns show the current trend state, the latest signal, the close, and a quick status. Fresh buy signals rise to the top. So you can scan hundreds of names and focus only on the actionable ones. Getting started takes 4 steps. Copy the AFL code from the description. Open the formula editor in Amibroker and paste it in. Save and apply it to any intraday chart. Then open the analysis window to backtest or scan across your list. To recap, the ATR intraday system uses volatility to trail a stop, flips its trend when the close crosses that stop, and paints clear buy and sell arrows with a trend ribbon. Adjust the period and multiplier to suit your time frame, and run it as a chart indicator or a scanner. Thanks for watching. Download the full AFL from the description. Configure it for your time frame and backtest before risking any capital. If this helped, subscribe and comment with the setting that worked best for.